Why does your scanner show the P2003 engine code? What does it mean? P2003 is a diagnostic trouble code for diesel particulate filter efficiency below threshold bank 2. This engine code indicates that the diesel particulate filter on bank 2 is not effectively reducing particulate matter emissions. This means the filter is not performing as well as it should, and may be clogged or malfunctioning. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Diesel Particulate Filter (DPF) issues, exhaust pressure sensor problems, driving conditions, fuel quality. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Dodge, Chevrolet, VW, Vauxhall, Audi, and Lexus models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.